What's up, everybody? Yeti Trades here. So going over my trades for Friday. I did not put out a video yesterday because I made no trades yesterday, so I had nothing to really record. Today I made 2 trades, missed on some fills, and I also had to leave during the middle of the day, so I missed some good entry points on some other ones. But anyway, my first trade here was on COSM, Cosmos Health. They had news here about acquiring someone, and we popped with a little bit of volume, and it pulled up on my scanner over here. And by the time I got to it, this candle was forming and starting to turn red. So I watched it with volume that we were coming down on this 1 minute chart. So I figured I'll take a stab at it, see if it bounces, and I put in a limit order for 366 and got filled right here at 829. And my risk was a previous day close, this checkered line right here. And then if we were to bounce, first target would have been the anchored VWAP, the yellow line here, and then second target would have been this 391 to 395 area. We started to bounce, but the volume just remained incredibly low, so I didn't think we were going to get up over the VWAP. So I put in a limit order for 377 and got filled, and I think it went all the way up to 378. Yeah, it went all the way up to 378. So that was a little scalp, quick in and out, 7-minute trade before the market even opens. My next trade on the day that I actually took was here on SI. I took it here in the afternoon, just on a rumor play, paired with how it was holding up on the day, that it might potentially go higher, and it did not. I got in right in this area somewhere for calls, and I exited right here for just a little bit less than break even, down about 20 bucks on it, I think, just because of the spread. And it looks like I got out in the right time because it just sold off into the close. The ones I missed that kind of hurt the most, coin here. My plan on it this morning was to short it on a failed green to red breakout, and again, so this is on the 2-minute chart. So I waited for it to get through all this jumboed crap, and it pops up right to the previous day close. 1, 2 little break, 3 break. I mean, this would have been a good spot to enter a short, and that probably would have wicked me out had I been in it. So once we hit here and started to retrace, I put a limit order in and did not get filled. And then I think yeah, this was the news that came out at 10, I believe, and the whole market just kind of dipped right there on that candle. But coin really dipped on that one. Good sized candle. And there was another good entry point right around here, but I was already gone for the day. But you can see where it didn't break these lows, held it, started wicking back up. That would have been another good entry here at the 20 EMA test, and hold, another good entry. So pretty good day for coin, considering. The other one I missed was OBSV. I don't know what they do. I don't even know why they're up. Oh, insider buying, that's right. So there was insider buying, pretty significant amount of shares were bought yesterday, or a few days ago, but the report came out after hours yesterday. I was just looking for a continuation play, day 2 move. By the time it popped up on my scanner this morning, it was already in this area, so this was not a good clean area I felt to enter anything. And you can see where we came up, tested this resistance line, test and fail, test and fail. What I was looking for was a dip right at open and a rip. So I did not get filled. I had a limit order in for 19 cents, and we didn't even get close to it. Shot right up, started pulling back. We broke below my anchored VWAP, and again, I was leaving by the time it was in this area. Just did not look pretty when I left. I actually took it off my radar, and you can see just how nicely this came down, tested our next line here, right on it, came back up, a little double test, and took off. Nice squeeze into the afternoon. Unfortunately, I didn't get back till about 2:30, 2:45, so it was already up here in this mess by the time I got back. Nowhere for me to play. I felt, play was missed. If I wouldn't have entered it right here, it would have been up here when all these EMAs have crossed back over my anchored VWAP. That would have been a solid entry right there. But those were the two big ones that I missed out on. No fills, or it didn't happen the way I wanted it. But ultimately played out to be good plays. Anyway, that's what I got, guys. Thanks.